Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. October 25. 7:22 America, New York. Facebook reportedly losing popularity among teens, highlighting a troubling trend. Facebook drops in pre-market on the report. The Bloomberg report highlights information from a group of researchers who compiled a report for Facebook's chief product officer, Chris Cox, reflecting a troubling trend that seems to be accelerating when it comes to the firm's namesake product.
New York Times Business. October 25. 7:05 America, New York. Key takeaways from the Facebook papers and their fallout. A look at a month of scrutiny and struggles for the social networking giant. Internal documents have put Facebook under a microscope for the past month. New York Times Business. October 25. 7:03 America, New York. Frances Haugen, the Facebook whistleblower, to testify in Parliament. Beginning a European tour, the former Facebook manager will be questioned by policymakers planning tougher tech regulations. New York Times Business. October 25. 7:01 America, New York. Facebook debates what to do with its like and share buttons. Likes and shares made the social media site what it is. Now, company documents show it's struggling to deal with their effects. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 25. 7 o'clock America, New York. Mark Cuban-owned company launches pharmacy benefit manager. An employer group also is starting a company to manage prescription drug benefits as frustration mounts with the big PBMs hired to control drug spending.
Daily FX Market News. October 25. 7 o'clock America, New York. DAX 40, S&P 500 technical forecasts, bullish momentum builds. Strong earnings and upbeat market mood are helping global stocks regain bullish momentum.
Digital Finance. October 25. 6:58 America, New York. As payments speed up, can banking systems keep pace? To meet customer expectations, financial institutions need to overhaul both their tech and their models. The post As payments speed up, can banking systems keep pace? Appeared first on Digital Finance.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 25. 6:44 America, New York. Pinterest, backed, Tesla, Facebook. What to watch when the stock market opens today. Pinterest shares slumped after PayPal said it isn't pursuing a deal for the social media company.
Naked Capitalism. October 25. 6:36 America, New York. What may happen when central banks wake up to more persistent inflation? Sudden policy reversals could lead to severe downturns in financial markets and significantly damage public sector balance sheets.
Global Economy. October 25. 6:31 America, New York. The government handouts that hand down trouble. We don't have much clue how big trade distorting subsidies are, let alone how to constrain them.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. October 25. 6:30 America, New York. Is Powell right about inflation? If we believe what its chairman is saying, the Fed does not seem to know what inflation is. The Wall Street Journal of Friday wrote, Nick Timiraos, Powell says supply-side constraints have worsened, creating more inflation risk. October 22, 2021. New York Times Business. October 25. 6:11 America, New York. Frances Haugen, Facebook whistleblower, to testify in UK. Beginning a European tour, the former Facebook manager will be questioned by policymakers planning tougher tech regulations. Frances Haugen's testimony in Britain's Parliament on Monday marks the start of a European tour, which will include discussions with government officials in Brussels, Paris and Berlin.
Forex Live. October 25. 6:03 America, New York. Bundesbank says German economic growth to slow significantly in Q4. Bundesbank remarks in its latest monthly report.
Global Economy. October 25. 6 o'clock America, New York. Drilling shutdown would mean end of green transition, Norway PM warns. Labour leader Jonas Gahr Store tells FT that country's $1.4 trillion oil fund is political.
Forex Live. October 25. 5:57 America, New York. Equities steady as investors keep the calm for now. No major moves in Europe thus far. European indices are faring decently in the morning session so far, with no sudden or big moves since the open. The DAX is up 0.2%, but the France's CAC 40 is down 0.1%, while Italy's FTSE MIB is leading gains as it trades up 0.5% currently. Forex Live. October 25th. 5:51 America New York. Dollar steadies in mixed trading so far. Dollar trades more mixed in European morning trade. USD was keeping around 1.1660 earlier on but has fallen to a session low of 1.1624 with price even dipping back below its 100-hour moving average.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 25th. 5:49 America New York. Supply chain disruptions encourage Rio Tinto to mine U.S. sludge for critical minerals. With some minerals in short supply amid a global supply chain crisis, the miner is looking at ways it can produce additional minerals essential for modern technologies. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 25th. 5:30 America New York. Shoppers find discounts are in short supply this holiday season. Consumers should expect to pay closer to full price on products this holiday season, including on Nike sneakers, Coach handbags and Ralph Lauren polo shirts, industry executives and analysts say. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 25th. 5:30 America New York. CFOs plump salaries, perks to land elusive new employees. Amid the Great Resignation, companies have to offer compensation that stands out in order to draw new workers and hold on to the ones they have.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 25th. 5:30 America New York. Youth-focused digital platform FaZe Clan nears $1 billion SPAC deal. Backed by the singer Pitbull and other entertainment and sports celebrities, FaZe Clan targets Gen Z and millennial consumers.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 25th. 5:30 America New York. Facebook expected to post slower sales growth with Apple privacy policy. The social media company's ad sales are on track for a record, even as global supply chain shortages crimp ad spending.
Daily FX Market News. October 25th. 5:30 America New York. Gold price rally may have more to go in the short term. The short-term outlook for gold is looking more positive with last Friday's spike high coming under threat, but strong resistance nears.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 25th. 5:30 America New York. Fed prepares to taper stimulus amid more doubts on inflation. Federal Reserve officials are set to wind down their $120 billion a month bond purchase program in November, but questions over how soon inflation pressures will fade are creating more uneasiness inside the central bank.